Sankalp, powered by vision, driven by resolve, welcomes you all. We assure you great return on time invested by you. Sankalp is the flagship company of Steelsmith Group. Steelsmith Continental Manufacturing Private Limited was established way back in 1994 with core competence in sheet metal fabrication. In 2001, when pre-engineered building technology was just introduced, company started working as certified builder for international giant Kirby Building Systems. And with strong Gujarati business instincts and experiences, in 2005, Sankalp started providing complete building solution manufacturing unit in pre-engineered steel building industry. Now, let's have a look at the product lineup for pre-engineered buildings. Primary members like rafters, columns, intermediate frames, end wall frames, wind bracings, crane brackets, mezzanine beams and joists are factory manufactured with 345 MPa minimum yield strength conforming to ASTM 572 grade 50. They require bolted connections only to be made on site. Secondary members like roof purlins, wall girts and eave struts are made from 120 GSM to 275 GSM GI coils depending on building design. They conform to ASTM A653 grade 50 with 345 MPa yield strength. CNZ section purlins, girts and struts are available in thickness range from 1.2 mm to 3.0 mm. As you can see, the depth is 200 mm, flange is 60 mm and leap is 20 mm for all sections. Trapezoidal roof and wall panels are available in 1000 and 1050 cover width. Both the profiles are with anti-capillary groove to ensure leak-proof installation. Available thickness range for PPGI, that is pre-painted galvanized iron, is 0.45 to 0.6 mm, yield strength of 250, 345 and 550 MPa. 0.47 mm thickness for bare galvalume with yield strength of 550 MPa and 0.5 mm to 0.6 mm thickness is available for colored galvalume called PPGL with 550 MPa yield strength. You have a choice of color combinations from Sankalp to choose and make your dream project a landmark for navigators. There are many accessories for different applications like sheeting accessories, reflective thermal insulation, turbo ventilators, etc. We care for your dream project and all the processes are in place to make your Sankalp a reality. Here you can see different communication stages from architectural integration and structural engineering to erection and completion stage. At every level, utmost care is taken to design and manufacture your building at our factory. When your inquiry, tender or order is received, it is thoroughly reviewed at Sankalp by Sales and Marketing, Customer Support Department and Design Department. Here the contract review at every stage is most important. Once things are in place, production is planned. Right material for your building is procured and stored. And finally, the same is dispatched in time as per the schedule. Here the quality is most important for every department. You can see how different departments at Sankalp PEV division manufacture and produce completely knocked down building which is assembled at site. 3 manufacturing lines at Sankalp, namely built-up line, cold form line and sheeting line are working in coordination with each other, producing primary members to gutters, flashings, trims, etc.